What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SOFI stock. I want to say, Merry Christmas to everybody. We're filming this video on Christmas Eve, so we're giving you guys a early Christmas present once again. I'm going to skip the Q4 earnings prediction inside of this video, and I'm going to give you guys my 2025 honest price prediction. We just seen on the SoFi Weekly, Tevis, Tanner, Chris, and Roy all gave their 2025 price predictions, and everybody was around 25, 28, another 28, and I believe a 30. And being completely honest, I think all of those are very, very fair estimated price targets. I think all of them are being very conservative, and likely those price targets are going to hit because I believe that will probably be around a fair value just going off of SoFi's price to sales they're trading at right now. If they were to jump their revenues up to the numbers we're predicting next year, keep the same price to sales, yeah, we're looking at about a $26, $28 stock. So I completely believe that those price targets are fair. But guys, what I personally believe is going to happen is I believe things are going to creep into fairy tale land, and you're going to be getting premium boosts that you wouldn't believe is going to happen. We all know that management wants to hit that $45 level, guys, by mid 2026 because they're going to be hitting their massive bonuses, guys. Anthony Noto is going to bring home like $290 million. I believe these guys are not trying to push that $45 level out to mid 2026. I think if they have what it takes to hit it, they're going to try and hit it next year, guys. I believe the SoFi stock can eclipse $45 level if we get some Galileo contracts. You know what we're talking about, those legacy bank top 10 institution. If we put one of those big contracts on the table any time frame inside of 2025, I think the stock's going to clear $45 pretty easily. We've already seen the hype we got with the AI revolution boom with companies like Nvidia, Palantir. You're also seeing a crypto boom on stocks that are holding Bitcoin on their balance sheet and stuff like that. MicroStrategy, Robinhood, crypto trading, Coinbase, and now you're also seeing a sector, quantum computing, absolutely take off because of just the hype, guys. These companies aren't even really producing any revenue, and I believe the sector that everyone is going to be missing out on, because once it happens, guys, everyone's going to be chasing. But luckily, a lot of you guys are in now very early, and guys, and that is the fintech sector, the digital banking aspect that everyone is missing. SoFi is stealing the market share from all these companies. They are going to have the best margins being fully digital, and of course, they're going to be selling their software as a service to other companies, guys. Banking as a service. That is going to be our tech platform, Galileo. Guys, I'm telling you right now, if that has the premiums that we believe it's going to have, I mean, this is going to be looking like the next AWS play for the next 5 to 10 years. We are in so early, it's unimaginable. I think a deal is coming, and once a deal comes, you're going to see premiums out of this world. If SoFi just hits the revenues that I'm expecting next year, the EPS that I'm expecting, and we land the Galileo contracts, this stock is going to clear $45 pretty easily inside of 2025. And I think management is in full throttle right now, foot on the gas. They're going to do whatever they can to hit the bonus as fast as possible. So be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. Let's get into the video. And yes, guys, it's Christmas Eve right now, but don't forget that the Santa Claus rally is a 7-day period, which includes the 5 last trading days of December, followed by 2 inside of the new year, guys. So we still have until January 2nd for this Santa Claus rally to get in full force. We had a great day on SoFi today. The stock finished 3 days green in a row. I'm telling you right now, all you need to do is get to the Q4 earnings and hold on for dear life. Strap in, because the rocket is going to the moon. When you see what these guys are going to put out for next year, this is the quarter that Anthony Noto's been talking about, and the year that Anthony Noto's been talking about, 2025. I think these guys are going for the bonus, the $45 level. I think we can clear it inside of 2025, no problem, if we land those Galileo deals. Now, we also got some big premium boosts that could help us inside of the market, guys. These IPOs. We know that the IPO market is about to heat up from what Anthony Noto is saying. They got the DSP 2.0 platform. $25 billion valuation. Chime takes another step towards an IPO. Guys, Chime was getting valued at $25 billion, back in 2021. Literally, SoFi today is trading at about $17 billion. So the numbers that, Chime was putting out back then were probably very low compared to where they're at now. They're probably going to go even higher in a valuation, probably to the $40-50 billion level is my guess. And guys, if they go to the $40 billion level, you're going to see how close in line our numbers are to Chime and the premium that they're getting. We're going to be able to compare the growths and stuff like that. But this is just going to be another boost for SoFi. Top that off with the Galileo tech platform landing deals. we could go to 50 bucks pretty easily. Now, I will admit when I was wrong, guys, and I was wrong on SoFi, thinking that the market would give them a premium valuation for just flat out triple beats and revenue growth. But it looks like the market had other choices. And I truly believe I was just a little bit too early inside of the stock, covering it right after the SPAC. You can see in 2019, they lost $263 million. 2020, this is when they went public. $317 million loss. 2021, $524 million loss. 2022, $360 million loss. And then 2023, $341 million loss. But the good news is with these losses, SoFi has literally acquired, two companies, Galileo and Technisys, built out the tech platform, which is, rocking and rolling, closing small deals right now, and has been in proof of concept with, multiple top 10 legacy institutions right now. We're just waiting for one of those deals to finalize. But you got to also realize we've also had 10 million members inside of the platform if you want to add up all these losses. And that's going to allow us to scale for the next 5 to 10 years because we've already flipped into profitability on a trailing 12-month, ratio. The last 3 quarters, SoFi has been profitable. This next quarter, Q4, guys, is where we're going to hit full year profitability for the first time. This is going to allow more institutions to pile inside of this stock. You're going to see institutional ownership go even higher. And of course, if we can hold over that $17 level for a couple of months, we got a chance to get into the S&P 500 about 12 months from now. More institutions are going to pile inside of the stock. So we're just in that, limbo land right now. We're in no man's land, okay? That $16, $17 level was resistance, going 3 years back multiple times. If we clear that, guys, I mean, there's clear skies ahead at the, $20, $22 level. And then all-time highs is going to be on the way. I believe what gets us out of this no man's land and breaks through that all-time high is this Q4 report, which is coming pretty soon. And as you guys can see, I admit that I was wrong just a little bit early on the stock with the massive losses, but you can see things are about to flip, guys. 2024, we're probably looking at a $200 million profit, and then next year, 2025, I believe that the base case we are going to see is a $428 million profit. This is where the stock truly takes off, guys. We need to see the numbers that they are going to put out in this Q4 report, see what they're looking at for 2025 guidance. I believe they're going to smoke analyst expectations of 24 cents out of the water. And, the difference on 24 cents from the analysts, this 428 million would be around 40 cents. So you can see the analysts are expecting 24 cents, $254 million. We're putting up about 200 million this year. This is going to get blown out of the water. We all know that. We just need to know, what are these guys truly going for next year? Are they going for the bonus? Are they going to land these Galileo deals? Are they going to take this stock to 75 in 2026? We just don't know yet. Like I said, you need to hold on for dear life. Get to that Q4 report, January 29th, 36 days away. This is it, guys. This is the report we've been waiting on. I once again admit I was a little bit early on this stock, the past couple of years, but we still had great DCA opportunities in 22, 23. And it looks like the stock is about to clear some massive headwinds we've been dealing with. And take a look, guys, 40 cents EPS on the 1.6 billion outstanding shares, $420 million profit. I think we're going to clear 40 cents, guys. I mean, this could be my base case scenario, possibly. I got to do some more analysis. I think this could go a lot higher, but we might as well just wait for the Q4 report to see what Anthony Noda and the management is betting on. But guys, we're going a lot higher than 24 cents. And here you see it, guys. Not only trailing 12 months profitability, we are about to flip to full year profitability for 2024, 36 days away. I'm very excited for this report, guys. There's going to be a lot of volatility. We know that. We also got the Santa rally just starting today. We're going to show you what the SoFi stock did. And I think, before earnings, there is a possibility that we could clear about $18 in the next 5 weeks. That is definitely possible. We thought we were going to clear 18 by the end of the year, Santa rally. We just got to see how this Santa rally plays out all the way up until the first 2 days of January and just see where the market's at. Now, guys, this is what gives me more confidence than ever in the SoFi company. I've been following this company for the past couple of years, and I just want you guys to know that the last quarter was by far the best quarter that SoFi has ever produced. Massive, massive quarter over quarter jumps. And that's a big way to see how the company is growing. You can see I got the last 2 years of earnings reports, Q3 22 to Q4 22. You can see 419 million revenue to 443. They had a 24 million jump, and every single quarter is the last quarter, then the quarter over quarter jump. Okay, so they jumped up 17 million in Q1 23. They jumped up 29 million in Q2 23. They jumped up 42 million Q3 23, and they jumped up 62 million Q4 23. Guys, this was the biggest quarterly jump I believe the company has ever seen. And then they went and scaled back into a transition year, backed off lending, tried to get the defaults under control. and we finally saw our first negative quarter over quarter decline. And since the company went public, and that was in Q1 24, they produced negative 13 million quarter over quarter, followed by a small ramp up Q2 24, 597 million revenue. They jumped it up 16 million. And then look, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Last quarter, Q3 24, 689 million revenue. They jumped up quarterly revenue by $92 million, blowing away the last high of $62 million. This is heading into the Q4, guys. Are they going to produce another $92 million jump? I'm not exactly sure, but I just gave you guys my like base case scenario, and it looks like these guys are still going to hit a $50 million jump. I think my estimates are right around $718 million base case. The analysts want about 675. So we're going to have to see 30 to 40 million base case jump. I'm still looking at a bullish prediction. I still got to put out, guys. That was just my base case scenario. But if they get anywhere near this, the stock is going to moon launch, okay? I have no idea what they're going to put out for 2025, but I believe they're going to be a lot higher than 24 cents. They might come out at like 30 to 35 cents and then just gradually beat it every single quarter to the end of the year, getting us past that 40-cent level. That's going to be a blowout. So a lot of good things are heading our way, as you guys can see. And take a look at this, guys. SoFi finished the day at $16.02, broke over the $16 level. We have literally been trading, green the past couple of days. There's been many shakeouts in the early pre-markets. You're seeing a lot of little small drops out of nowhere pre-markets or as soon as the market opens. There's just been a lot of shakeouts happening. But you guys can see the stock has finished 3 green days in a row. This is absolutely awesome, guys. Remember, we had that, nasty shakeout last week, Wednesday and Thursday. I believe those were buying opportunities. I DCA'd into some longer-term call options. If you want access to those call options that I purchased, the link is in my comment section inside of the VIP Patreon group. I actually purchased another second call, longer-term dated as well. Just getting more bullish in the long-term scenario over the next 1 to 2 years. I believe the management is going to eclipse that $45 level. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. Once again, we're going to continue to keep you updated on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. I wish everyone a happy, Merry Christmas. The SoFi stock is looking extremely strong. I believe a Santa Claus rally is heading our way. Let's see how things play out the next week. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.